Ladies, gentlemen, children, kids, and anyone watching this, hello and good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. So we are opening this. This is just an update of how the farm is going on. Today we'll be watching our pixies, how our mangoes are actually working on. It's been a while since we updated it, but I've opened up with this introduction as always. You can see this is a cardinal nut. Something about patience I'll tell you is actually, you see this section? I tried it about 4 times before it actually worked. And today, I'm happy to tell you this is working very well. This is this is soge. I don't know the name in English. That's cotton. Then this is your famous hibiscus. Then we have, I told you this one is working very well. This is thicker palm. Then this tree, it is a motivational tree. They say you should rise like a bamboo, because for a bamboo, those ones are playing. For a bamboo, it takes a very long time for it to grow, but it doesn't change the height. Then just at some time T, it will change very fast the height. So one day, one time, I'll show you how this one will transform. For those of us who are doing the gravelia, you see, this is good height. And actually, I can tell you this is a very rocky place. If you want to know, you can zoom. Let me zoom it for you. You see all those rocks I've piled there. That is how rocky it is. Then we have gazebo. This one is for us who want to visit the farm one day. You'll be eating those juicy fruits, resting in that shade. So that is good introduction. Let's go to the pixie and the mangoes. As always, I have my inspectors. You see? You see? So something I told you the other time is gravelia is doing actually very well. You can see that one. You will not imagine that is 2 years down the line. Actually 1.8 months. And that was worked very well. Then the cassava rows. This is easy to implement because you don't need a lot of things. And now to look at how beautiful it is. It's been a journey, and I can tell you there's nothing as beautiful as having a morning walk. And you see, that's your pixie. It's coming up very well. Actually, this one has flowered. Sometimes I just left it to its own dance because I wanted it to try by their own self, but I'll be interested in its flowering session next year. So that's a mango plant. You can see how good it is today. Let me take you to another mango plant. So this one is crafted. This one is pixie, another pixie. Then let me show you what I've done is a maze just to maintain the farm, but that is how good lines of pixie work. So this one is your traditional avocado. So actually these ones were my first lines, and you can see how good they are. This is avocado. This one, you can see. Wow. So something about farming is you don't see them rising. You come every day, and you see, look, this one has actually gone beyond my height. So that is avocado for you. This is a traditional one. I have not crafted it because I wanted to maintain the two. Look at that. Actually, that is about 7 feet, 7 feet tall. It's working very well. This one is crafted. Yes. And that is gravelia for you. You can see how it has transformed. It's big and big. And then the first plants always croton. So let me give you a snapshot of a line. Look how beautiful they are. So I'll be updating you soon on how each of them have been behaving. But one thing I'll tell you is, out of the plants I grew here, the toughest one were the avocados. I think they were the most sensitive. But the ones who actually made it are doing very well. So most probably what I learned is that they are not good when it comes to stress. So you can see most of this I rely on rain fed, and when I have what I do flood irrigation as I work on another means of irrigation. But God has been good. God has been very graceful to me, because the first or 2 years down the line it has been raining, and actually it is raining very well right now. So let me show you something. The kiwi plant, or the jackfruit, I tried and it has worked. You see? And if you thought this one is coming up very fast, let me show you another magic. Yeah. So this is big. Then we have now the cassavas. So what I've done all around the farm a cassava. Then on the other hedge I've done fodder. This is pak chong, and you can see that one has been our nursery bed, and it has transformed all this section all the way like that. So it's been great having you in my channel. That is Yegon. As always, you can join us on YouTube. Go to playlist, go to From the Farm, so that you can see what we have been doing. So I'll be coming up with other important sessions, telling you what has been happening from each step. So that is a beautiful thing, and I can tell you as a farmer, that is a beautiful image you can wake up to. And obviously this kadogi, so this one is called Chihuahua. Then that will mark our end for the Pixie. Thank you guys. Remember to subscribe and be part of the channel. Until next time, take care of yourself. And if you are a farmer, one thing I'll tell you, be patient and consistent. Be patient and consistent. Take care of your plants, and one day they'll take care of you.